What's going on, guys? So back in Google I/O, Google's announced what they claim to be a revolutionary new messaging platform. It was going to change the way we talk to people. It's supposed to unify everything. And unfortunately, it really only unified Google Plus Messenger and Google Talk, and actually kind of butchered some of the features of them. It's called Google Hangouts. I'm sure you've heard of it. It did give us a really nice new design that I think most people will agree is probably one of the best looking messengers out there. Google Hangouts was supposed to be the iMessage of Android. And with due time, I think that it can be that way. The big thing for people is they want their texting integrated with their messenger. Facebook Messenger got that right, and threw chat heads in there. Now with Paranoid Android having Halo, essentially for me nullifies chat heads. I don't need it because I got Halo. So what I'm about to show you is not necessarily Google Hangouts with SMS integration, but it's the next best thing. You're going to trick your brain into thinking that it is, because the only difference that you will probably be able to notice is the icon of the actual application. And it's one that if you haven't heard of, you should have heard of, and you will by now. So let's take a look at it, because I'm loving it. That was not meant to be a McDonald's reference, by the way.
Okay, so the app in question today is called Sliding Messaging Pro, or Sliding Messaging. What you're going to want to do is download the app called Sliding Messaging from the App Store. And as you can see, I've already got it here, and I'm going to kind of walk you through everything I've done, starting just as you would. I've erased all my information. So we're going to open the application. Here's the changelog. It's got some stuff about Halo implementation, which works very well. I'm going to hit next. Got your notes. So here's your standard sliding messaging layout. What you can do is swipe to your left, and you're going to see all the different threads that you have. You can swipe to your right, and you can create a new message. Now obviously, since I've erased everything, it's all gone. So here's what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to tap the settings button there, go to settings, and then you have many different options here. You're going to want to hit theme settings, custom theme settings. You're going to want to swipe over till you find Hangouts theme. Now this is just a theme. This isn't necessarily the Hangouts layout. You'll understand what I'm saying in just a minute here. So we're going to select this theme, and then we'll go back. I'll go back one more time, and we're going to create a text to, I don't know, let's see who comes up here when I hit something. Shirt Magic, that's a company. I don't know why that's in there. Anyway, so type in random stuff. So there is one message to Shirt Magic that's not going to respond because that is a 188 number. And the next step we're going to do is we're going to go to settings once more. We're going to hit theme settings, and we're going to choose custom display layout, and we're going to choose Hangouts UI. This is going to give us the Hangouts user interface that everybody seems to love, myself included. We're going to go back once more, and now when you see it, I hit the pie once too many times. If you can see it here, it looks a lot like Hangouts. Part of me is wishing I didn't delete my text messages so that you could see it. So over here you've got your threads. Over here you can create a new message. You can see I've got Minuum. There's my keyboard here. So let's do another test to Shirt Magic. Hello. It's even got down to the animations over there, looking just like Google Hangouts. And of course you have the option to call, because this is text messaging and not Google Hangouts. And the biggest difference really between this and Hangouts, honestly, is the fact that right over there is a messaging icon, sliding messaging icon, instead of actually Google Hangouts. Now you can take this one step further by going to settings, choosing your notifications, and you can choose your notification icon, how you want it to pop up. And somewhere in here should be, actually it might even be inside. It is, okay. This is actually what you're going to have to go to system settings for. Then you want to go to your sounds, and I've already got this set up, and default notification sound. Now I have the Google Hangouts message sound saved, so I'm going to go all the way down here till I find, I believe it's a folder called Hangouts, somewhere in here. I'm going through this live. Oh, it's in ringtones, and there, Hangouts message right there. So you're going to click that, and now that's going to happen. That's going to make a sound every time I get a message. So now let's take a look at Google Hangouts. here you go, Hangouts. You've got your threads over here. You've got contacts over here. And as you can see, it looks really similar. So if I want to add one with my buddy Cody Sager, message him. This is just like that sliding messaging. I mean, the biggest difference is the fact that this up here is not the sliding messaging icon. It's the Hangouts one, and this says video instead of call. It's really, really close. In fact, it even has the you can even have the contact pictures, I will show you in a minute here, in this as well. I have one over here. Let's say hello to Miss Chelsea. And you can see I have mine here, and whenever she responds, hers will show up likewise there. And I'll make another quick video on Instagram actually, and I'll make another video explaining what's going on there. And I'll show you, once I have some more text in there, because I deleted the 800 I had. So again, it's not exactly Google Hangouts with text message integration like everybody wants, but it's as close as we're gonna get for now. And a huge shout out to Jacob Klinkler, I don't have his name pulled up, for making this, because this is amazing. Sliding messaging was already my default and favorite SMS app. This literally just put it 3 steps above the rest. So thank you so much. Just throw a couple bucks this guy's way and use this. I mean, this is almost the perfect app for me as far as texting goes. My friends haven't bought into using Google Hangouts or even Google Plus yet. Actually, a couple of them are slowly starting to get there. So to be able to have this, to be able to use the messaging and layout that I want on top of being able to text them and let them use what they want to use, it's really convenient to me, and I appreciate it a whole bunch. So hopefully you guys can get something out of it.
Alright, well there you have it. Like I said, it's not exactly what everybody wants. It's not Google Hangouts with SMS integration, but it's really close as far as the look goes. I mean, this guy got it almost spot on. If there's a way to replace that little icon in the top left, I mean, you literally could show somebody it and they would be convinced it's Google Hangouts. It's that good. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helps you, and I'm loving it. I mean, it's heaven to me, because I'm waiting for Google Hangouts to have SMS integration, and that's just going to be my all-in-one app. But until then, I'll be using this. Thanks a ton for watching. If you could, help me out in any way, shape, or form by subscribing, by liking the videos, sharing them, favoriting with them. I don't care what you do. It's stuff like that that I need to help get my name out there. I actually just the other day became a YouTube partner, which is great because it means that YouTube is interested in my work and they see potential in it. That's awesome. And it's because of you guys watching, commenting, doing all kinds of stuff that I'm able to do that so far. So the road's looking good ahead. I just need you guys' help to do that. This video, once you're done watching it, even right now, just click the little thumbs up button right there. I do it all the time for people that I watch videos for, because I appreciate that they make them for me. Whether it be PewDiePie, whether it be Pocket Now, Engadget, anything from the slow-mo guys, just random entertainment stuff, to actually informative stuff like Engadget and Pocket Now, the people I named before, stuff like that. Like the video, being a person who runs a YouTube channel, I now know how much that helps get their name out there and helps their channel a lot. So if you could do the same for me, I would appreciate it so much. And maybe, just maybe, I'll do a giveaway. We'll see. So as always, thank you for watching. This is Peter signing off. Thank you. Peace out.